All right. And enjoy yourself. All right. Bye bye. Right in the Moses farm. Mm-hmm. Boss lady. Kapi olupe egbin. May you back pay egbin. Because Aruka Yam coins 10,000. That's big money. Oh. Coins 10,000. About 100 and something thousand. Maybe say now a small thing. A big money be that too. Oh, that was it. Mm-hmm. You see? What fact? You say I'm doing your yacht sombrero. Yawa he will a gift a man, now you gift man craft man to doing your yacht. Jim come exchange. Jim come exchange. Mm. Hmm. You know how much? Wow. If you are watching down there, please come up. Don't go and hide. Jim exchange coins. Uncle shame them. Okay. We're gonna get a free video. Another TikTok account. Okay, wow. Nigerians. Nigerians, they want to use every small opportunity. It's a free video. My own. Mungu mimi. Hey, come over. Hey, you know. Current. Welcome. I drop you now. Okay, your charges are not being Aquara. Couple car. the great Mama B. Welcome to my life, the great Mama B. How are you doing today? The great Mama B. It's good. It's good. Fine, thank you. The great Mama B. Okay. Okay, there's no problem. You're welcome. Happy to have you here. Yeah, great. Everything is going great. Thank you for the hearts, man. Boss lady, welcome. You guys from Nigeria. What do you say? Yeah. So that one. What do you say, please? Oh, you can't hear me. I said I'm from Nigeria. And I'm based in Nigeria. Okay, let me just write it down so I can see. Lagging. Boss baby, you are still awake. Why are you not sleeping? Why are you not sleeping? Too much? Okay. Now you now. If you're not sleeping, you can call sleep to come. So, the general moment, you've seen it. Yeah, we don't have exact topic. We're just discussing, like, just having a normal discussion. So, we're not focused on a particular topic. Yeah. But if you have one, you can bring it on. We'll follow you. That's it. What's on? I'm gift I be man. Aye. Now, man, I'm a half chair. Chair. Thank you. The great mama. I really appreciate. God bless you. Thank you. Thank you for elevating the house. That's what people will say. Let's give it up for that great mama. I know you must be a great mother, you know. That name is cool. You know, the first time we met in that life, whose life was that? And we're just there playing games. Was it playing games or just supporting each other? I can still remember because it's been a long time, but I can still remember. Um, Boss lady, how is Lagos now? How is Lagos treating you? Mm. Yeah, wow. Sometimes when I look at Lagos now, it will look me somehow. So, yeah, this town, this town, oh, it's not me and you again, oh. They where you dey. Jado, welcome to my life. Wow, Jado is here. Jado, can you come up, please? It's been a long time. It's good to have you here. Yeah, on that live, Jado was there too. Jado, are you there? Thank you guys for the tab. Great Mama, thank you so much. Most of them are sleeping. Great Mama, thank you. Jado, you're welcome again. Guys, please let's tap and share the live. Let's tap and share the live. Jado, thank you for joining again. Boss lady, what happened? Mimi King. Million. Can I invite her? Oh, I should tell you about my culture. Okay. Well, we're here in Nigeria. We have a beautiful culture, and we have different tribes in Nigeria. And we have the Igbo, we have the Hausa, we have the Idoma, we have the Igede, we have the Tiv, we have so many tribes. And me, I belong to the Tiv people, which is Benue State, Nigeria. And the color of our clothes that we use is black and white. That's what we use. And we have a beautiful culture where we welcome visitors. And like here, if you visit me, I will take good care of you and give you a nice treatment. Yeah. Yeah, that's it. So, and we like giving out our food. And most of the cultures here, sometimes if you go to their places, they don't, Jado, welcome. They don't give you, like, offer you food sometimes. But in my culture, if you come to my house, if I invite you to eat something with me, and if you don't eat, I will not be happy with you. You know, I always prefer you to eat what I'm eating, and we take you as our own, like part of us. You know, and what we want to give, like if I want to give my daughter out for marriage, then there are certain fee that I will collect, like some money. Not like I'm selling them, but I need to collect some money and stuff like that. But it's a beautiful culture. Yeah, I'm married. Yeah, married with a son, just one, for now. Yeah, two getting 3 years. Yeah. Okay, that would be nice. Do you have somebody in Ghana? Yeah, I know. Yeah, I see. I see. I see. Kinga. Yeah, yeah, yeah. You're right. You're right. There's no problem. No problem. No, no. Benue State. Yeah, Benue State. Yeah. No, I'm not Igbo. I'm Tiv. I'm Tiv. I'm not Igbo. Tiv like TIV. 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 Yeah. Yeah, that's it. Oh, that's good. Yeah. Yeah, that's good. It's no problem. Yeah, she came and she left. Yeah. I don't know. She was here and she left. Yeah. So what are you up to this morning? Hmm. Okay. Okay. That's good. So when are you hoping to come to Ghana? Okay, that's great. Oh yeah. That's yeah, that's good. The, the king is busy. Yeah. Oh. Yeah, you want to finish it before you rest, yeah? Mm, okay. It's Telumo. The name is Telumo. Kadon. You're just shining. Gemini. Hello. How are you? How you doing? She's. It's a she. It's not a he. That's my chicken. All right, there's no problem. Thank you for coming. Do you have? All right. Thank you. Take care. Thank you. Thank you, day also. Telumo. Telumo Yave. I'm with Laman now. I don't know you see. Okay, came back to Uga on it to an hour. Yes. So oh no China Shulima. Uchapa Angala Gando. Shanaga. Toti. On a day or see all. You remember hearing I could not play music. I'm doing the way you. I'm a travel my local and hotel. Can play music and shout small the way I want. Fine. We are national one day alone. What? Elizabeth, who la mana come a thousand Luzana. Gambia. Okay, no back Gambia na. Oh yawanga. No na ko lam chuku P Michael Lamch. No yawanga. Ibe singi kan wonanga. Ibe singi kan you should be sleeping by now. But hinga nango yaga na. Okay. Oh nega ta. No call over. Okay, that's good. Kind of corner. Ka roommate where? Eh. Who are you? Okay. Hmm. 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 They don't want to sound. Hey, Virgin boy. What kind of halaga? Virgin boy. How are you? Thank you for the heart, man. And we know that you are not alone. Ushahumba. Ushahumba, I'm so. For you, I will look conscious of Koraga. Who be your way, Kwaswo, we know so. So, what's there that so that life can do? Sha. Ellen Kwawo, who the China beating, you are sort of doing. Okay, could you say ATM or Mokometo? Well, ATM, you say ATM. Well, okay, now, also, Yamon, how many coins? Coins, so what? Coins, delicate 3,000. So, we're on a third to level 5, I think. Yes, I think level 5 also. But offer to Yamo, there are two ways. I also more Yamo, Abigail, welcome. Sometimes, me, I will log in your account into my phone. So, more Yamo will direct to your account or we can handle talk. So, there are two ways key equation. Anyone that will feel okay with it, then you go with it. Um, say, kwasega kwapandega. I'm here now 70609862210. Abigail, welcome. Na kila ka tona no baki na ne. Abigail, thank you for the follow. Ka Roma. Eh. Alvin, welcome, Alvin. Okay. Mgbe yiri arị. No, then you don't want with chatting on WhatsApp. But go fetch your children, you can pega. Okay. 070. Okay, you're on phone. 70 609 862 070 609 862 Mgbe yiri ambega 070 609 862 10. One Godwin. So tineme ọlọ. Otineme okpa ikengu mefa. Alvin long. How much that? If I go long ago, you can be me come or join. Now when I keep when you join, sugar baby welcome. Of course, go join. When you're point ban area at this. Come on, we're showing. Also be more call so it's you greet and go your thing. Get TikTok wahala. Iye naga. James, welcome.